Hello everyone, good day to all my friends, subscribers and viewers. We have another listing guys. 450 square meters along National Highway and walking distance to the beach or to the shoreline. So kita na to, no? We can see the shoreline. That is walking distance to the shoreline. Then the size is 450 square meters located in Maribohok. I forgot the name of this barangay. Maribohok, basta Maribohok ni siya. This is Maribohok. Then the frontage is 7 meters guys. The road, the wide. The property is starting from this side, this portion. Then there is a, I think this is a hole, it's a bridge here. You can make it into, you can make an idea later if you buy this property. This is ideal for commercial and residential. So the situation is going up since the area is 450 square meters. So taas pa ni dito guys, it's still 450. I think it's more than 20 meters above, going up. So the other side is here. So somewhere here guys, no?
Uy, bantay. Laum, laum, laum. Laum. Laum.
Down. Sao na to pagkakita si Yuta og di na to adtuon. So I think there is a setback around 2 meters according to the owner. They have already asked the DPWH regarding the setback. So from the edge of the highway there's additional of 2 meters. So somewhere here you can build a house or residential going up guys. So still the coconut is part of the property. ₱2,500 per square meter. I think this was a house before. Oh, tabi. So makita natin guys, no? Tagalog lang sadta kay murag lisod ba? Na medyo pataas ya kaunti. So napaloob pa tong coconut, dalawang coconut and there are banana trees. So maganda na to guys because Maribohok is very close from Tagbilaran City. Just only for residential or warehouse, rest house, warehouse naman. Or you can have a warehouse if you have a business, no? Since it is along highway. So owner is still again a pioneer with a Filipino wife now in US. Then they can sign come if you are going to buy this property. So hindi masyadong mataas ang presyuhan. ₱2,500, that is their price. May gusto sanang bumili pero you know naman, hindi na sila pumayag. Yung sobra talaga, sabi nila sobrang ano na masyado nang mababa yung bilihan sa gustong bumili, kaya hindi natuloy. So alam mo naman yung puti, puti, foreigner, it's American. Okay, we will continue. I will let you see the shoreline with a separate video. Tabi. Again guys, no, this is 450 square meters at 2,500 pesos per square meter net. Limpyo na. So meaning buyers expenses to transfer from seller to buyer. So ang gusto ni may-ari, ni owner, 2,500 pesos per square meter, 450 square meters ang lot area, i-multiply mo yan, tapos si buyer or kayo na ang magbayad sa transfer, net na ang sa kanya. So 7 meters wide, papunta doon sa likodan is just only 5 meters, parang trapezoid yan yata yung forma. At malapit lang sa dagat guys, kung gusto kang maligo, no, dito tayo, malapit lang. So pwede tayo dumaan dito, oh. Malapit lang, oh. Maglalakad lang tayo dito guys. So madali lang. Come on. So since low tide, medyo malayo ng kaunti, no? Pero hindi masyado. So white sand. Pag high tide, maganda dito guys. Kung gusto kang bumili ng presko na mga isda galing sa mga fisherman, nando lang, oh. Kita natin. Malapit lang sa lote na binibenta natin. Actually there are 3 lots including the house. 4 yan lahat. The first one is the 450 square meters which is along the highway. The second one is, I think it's around second lot or third lot from the highway, 816 square meters at 1,500 pesos per square meter, as well as the other one is 1,310 square meters for a price of same price, 1,500 per square meter. So nandito na sila, oh, nag-picnic sila dito guys. So ganyan ang mangyayari sa atin pag nandyan na tayo, pwede tayo maliligo, picnic tayo dito. Okay. alam mo naman, Sunday tayo ngayon, may mga relax ba? Mga tao. Pa-relax. Wow! Ayo ni kay murag gwapo na diri kuha na ay.
Kung lagi may pikas.
Lapok man. Okay ni gwapo diri. Kaya hire man diri kaayo di ay magkuan ta. Maligo tag dagat diri.
Sige di sa demo.
Taga tubigon.
Layo pa rin.
Oh, narami kita na diri yota sa akong amiga.
Ila ka.
Ila ka kuan.
Gakayan.
Kapilido to ay nakalimot ko na.
Mga gakayan mada.
Nakalimot ko. Lipyo kay dagat diri sa.
Taga maligo ari mo taga bukid.
Ari diri, libre pa no? Wa pay bayad. Perteng nindota. Tagbilaran na yan, di ba? Tagbilaran na diana.
Ade pantalan na sa Maribo.
Pantalan sa Maribo. Okay riya at bang.
Kuha na. Kanang mangga.
Bangga. Asa man ning tagbilaran? Mao na.
Ato tumoy pa.
Ato mo ipa kere niya at bang. Panglaw na ni.
Panglora ato tumoy.
Ako tayo eh.
Ano mo kon?
So maganda maliguan guys. Magdala ka lang pagkain. Sure na. Wala nang problema, solve na tayo dito. So kung mabili natin yung 450 square meters, malapit lang sa Tagbilaran. So walking distance to the highway, out to the beach, out to the here, then along highway, walang problema. Tapos kung gusto kayo mag build up dito, maganda. So may tatlo pang nandun yung property na pinipinta natin guys. Kung makita natin yung bahay, yung bahay yung overlooking doon, Malantaw ra sa Bisaya, Tapos may dalawang lote pa yan, yung 816 at saka 1,310. So magpili lang tayo. Yung 816 is titled, titulado na, clean title yon. Yung 450 is clean title. May isa na 1,310 hindi pa titulado. Puntahan natin mamaya, okay? Again, thank you very much. By the way guys, just only around 10 to 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City lang. Dali lang talaga, 10 to 15 minutes drive Tagbilaran City na guys. So maganda, may maraming naliligo, libre dito. Okay, thank you and God bless to all. Happy viewing, bye. Mura na tanag newscaster, no? So again guys, i-reverse natin yung video. First, may binibinta tayong lupa along highway, 450 square meters, 7 meters wide frontage. Then next, nagpunta tayo dito para makita natin yung dagat, no? Because it's walking distance to the beach. So kita mo naman may beach, or it's open sea para sa lahat. Then libre. Then we will go to the 816 and square meters and 1,300. So ito po yun, no? Kung mabili natin yung mga lote na yan, gusto tayo pag